I can't understand the
I'll try to.
purpose of this subject. I mean, I understand what he's saying, but I don't understand the purpose of this question.
Okay.
Where is the contradiction between these things?
No, I will,
Okay.
He said, Hazrat, these verses which he just mentioned, that does it mean that they apply on people in general terms and also forever? And how can we find a compromise between the meaning, the apparent meaning of these verses with our belief, especially that we do believe that Islam will be victorious and most of the people will enter Islam? Does this mean that this verse
That is what I thought. In fact, it is the same. One question is, no, there are not two questions, simple single question. When the Holy Quran says that most of the people do not believe, don't understand, do not ponder over things, have no wisdom, so it all applies to the people in general. When Islam will become victorious, the same will apply to most of them. They would have submitted to Islam, but most of them will not understand what they have submitted to. So this is the fate of mankind, unfortunately. It's only with the grace of Allah that something within you awakens, and that is the moment of your deliverance. Otherwise we go on in a state of sleepiness. We think we know, we think we ponder, we think we respond, but once suddenly with the grace of Allah you realize that what you had thought was just imagination, sympathetic thinking for yourself. So there is no contradiction in these verses. Even after the of Islam will spread, they will apply at the same time. They apply to the Ahmadis now, here, in this world. All Ahmadis are not has not yet awakened. So when they awaken and they begin to realize, they become the true Muslims. That is why the real true believers are small in number. The rest are just like ordinary people, and we only hope that Allah will forgive them. You understand? Next question.